you need to learn how to create your own auto trading robot, because first thing, you will be saving money, a lot of money. You know that robots are expensive out there, and then if you ask someone like me to create it for you, I'll charge you a lot. Or if you get someone somewhere, okay, so by that time when you have learned to create your own auto trading robot, you will be saving money. Another thing, you will be making sure that your strategies stays on you all the time. Okay, because now when you are paying someone for you to create auto trading robot for you, obviously that person will charge you money. And then after that person charged you, you still have to tell that person your own strategies, lot size, whatever that you will be using. Okay, so it's risky, and then that person may leak that information to other traders, or that person may actually sell that strategy of yours. That person can expose it. So by that time when you have learned to do it on your own, you will be able to keep the secret of your strategy, and then you will be able to test your strategy as often as possible. Because truly speaking, we have ideas about strategies, and then we need to test them often. So if you are going to pay people to create your own trading robot all the time, it will be a problem. Because now every time when you have an idea or a strategy, you have to pay, and you can have a lot of strategies per week that you want to test. Okay, so the idea here about creating your own trading robot is that it gives you that power to control your trading journey. Okay, you can have an idea now, and then you jump in on your computer and program your own strategy now, and then do the back test. And another thing, that the most important thing about creating your own auto trading strategy is the back testing. Okay, if you don't have a robot with a strategy that you want to back test, it will be harder for you, because now you have to open the charts and then check everything every day by yourself, which takes long. I mean, if you want to check how your strategy worked in the previous 5 years, I don't know, it will take you the whole year to do that properly. Okay, but with the robot, you can just do that within 5 minutes. The robot will give you the correct back test depending on what you said, and then you can, in that back test, the important thing is that in the back test you can change things. You can change lot size and all those things to test which one works best for you. But if you're going to do that manually, guys, it will be a very, very hard thing. I can't even imagine how people back test their strategies uh, manually. Actually, I feel like it's impossible, because in backtest you are going to change almost everything all the time, so that you can be able to compare the result. For example, I can say in the previous 5 years, how did my strategy perform with this lot size, with this take profit, with this stop loss. And then after that, I must come back and say, how did it perform with this lot size, this stop loss, and this take profit. So in the back test, you're actually putting a lot of things in use in trying to figure out your strategy. Okay, so if you're going to do that manually, it will be a very, very hard thing to do. And then you can't pay people always to create strategies for you, so that you can back test and then go to that person, pay again that person. You see, it will be hard. But if you have a platform where you create your own trading strategy, your own trading robot, you can be able to do these things a lot of time. That's why I've created the app, which is on the Android phone. I'll put the app in the link in the description below. Okay, that app allows you to you can make 100 auto trading robots in a day, and then you can backtest them on your computer. The idea there is that it doesn't matter where you are. Maybe you are in a toilet, maybe you are with your friends. If you have the trading idea, you must put that trading idea down and then test it. You don't need to be on your computer first. You actually just to have the resources to make the node of that strategy. Okay, so my app helps you to do that exactly. You will be able to test lot of, once you pay, you pay once, and then you can create millions of auto trading robots, so that you can take those robots and then test them and see which one works best, and then use the one that works best for you. Lot size and all those things, you can even, actually you are owning the copyright of the robot. So I, even now I feel like it is important for you to learn how to code your own trading robot. It's easy, actually. It's just a matter of template. If you can't learn it, then get the tools which will help you to create the auto trading robots as fast as possible. Because now you can't spend the whole month trying to figure out the back test of the strategy, while you can do that thing in 5 minutes using the auto trading robot. You will be wasting a lot of time. Okay, so the best thing now, you see, another thing that I want to emphasize is that in general in life, if you don't take the advantages of the technology, you will always regret all the time. So this technology is here for us to speed up our processes. What is the use of trying to test strategy on demo for 12 months, while as you can just check with the back test within 5 minutes, and then get the result of that strategy? Okay, so this won't be that easy, but I think it's worth it. Okay, or else you can just ask templates, just follow my channel, subscribe, and then learn how to do it. It's easy. I'll be showing everything. You can just copy the way it is, and then sharp. I still believe that you must be able to code your own trading strategy, which is a easy thing to do. If you can't, get my app and then create those auto trading robot. Lot of, you can, with the app, it's so very simple. You just click there, and then the robot is created for you, and then your job is to do the back test, and then you can even plug the robot in real account, because the robot will open the trades for you automatically. So yeah, I believe that this is the best thing to do, to learn how to code your own auto trading robot.